Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to cancel a subscription on your iPhone running iOS 15. So in order to do this, I want you to open up the App Store, and at the top right you should see this icon. Tap on this icon and you'll be brought to this page. You will need to make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID, and once you are, just tap on subscriptions and give it a little bit to load, and it's going to show your active and cancel subscriptions. So you can see right here, active, let's cancel a subscription. Just tap on the subscription you want to cancel, and if you see a tick and you see the option to cancel subscription, this means you're good to go. So you can see right here, let me just pause that right there, and you just need to tap on cancel subscription and you'll be good to go. Now keep in mind that when you cancel a subscription, you'll be able to use it until the next billing period. So you can see next billing date 5th of August 2022. This means that your subscription will stay active until that next billing date. So let's say Apple Arcade, I've already cancelled this, however it still shows that it's active. Well, the reason why is, again, I need to wait until 4th of November. Once 4th of November hits, you will see it will show up in the expired section right here. So don't worry, as long as there's no tick by these options, that means you've cancelled these subscriptions successfully and you will not be charged again. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.